had high hopes post 2017, but all hopes seem to be at a dead end. We have failed even to correct past mistakes, which was an open exam in the clear answers. Sanabeda mashoko vanhu panguva ino vachiti zvinosirisa nyika yeZimbabwe kuti mukana wekutransfoma nekuchinja nyika nokukoreta mapast mistakes tanga tiinawo, but it seems like things are falling apart. Zvinhu zviri kuramba. Ndinawo kuri kuoneka kunzi now the regime is installing its own dynasty kuti varambe varipo nyika ichisafa. Ndokuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipinda muzimu ai mudanyira chiti we need leaders who are serious about the people and always remember the reasons why people fought for the liberation struggle. We applaud Vice President Constantino Chiwenga for his unwavering stance against corruption, and we demand the arrest of those who have been named as perpetrators of corruption. Zimbabwe is rich in minerals, and we can't let a few benefit at the expense of the majority. Vice President Chiwenga, the people of Zimbabwe have high hopes and are actually warming up to you to take the country to a brighter future. We strongly believe that with your leadership qualities, Zimbabwe will be a better country for simply pressing a reset button. Ndoma shukarotogwa panguva ino naComrade Bvanzo achiti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino inofanira kusapota VP Constantino Chiwenga noda kwokuti we owe him a lot. But as per 2017 transition, he is the one who led the transition kuti nyika yeZimbabwe aiwa ive the Mugabe regime. And panguva ino the Mnangagwa regime is trying to install a dynasty in Zimbabwe. Panapa nezvigananda necorruption. Is the one again VP Constantino Chiwenga who is fighting them out, trying to push them kuti aiwa vari kuita zvavari kuita. Chitiko chiri kunyatsonekwa kunzi munyika yeZimbabwe people they must support generally kuti aiwa reset button aiwa repressiwe nyika yeZimbabwe ipinde muchipinda kumese kushebetu mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like chit on the bell icon.